Welcome to the light home review for the Fantasia Mayfair ceiling fan. Now this Mayfair fan is the version with a light. It does come without a light as well, but we're going to focus on the with light version here. Now the box measures 44 by 32 by 32 centimetres and weighs approximately 7 kilograms with all the packaging if you're going to ship it abroad. The Mayfair is a 42-inch ceiling fan, whether it's got a light or not, which puts it in the medium size of ceiling fan, perfect for bedrooms and lounges and things like that. There is an awful lot of colours available in the Mayfair. There is a white, a chrome, stainless steel, antique brass, there is a black, there's a polished brass version, and there's numerous blade options as well. Colour blades can be swapped within the range, so if you like the blades on the white one and you want them to go with the antique brass actual fan, that's not a problem. Just give us a call to request that, we can do that for you. As you would expect with a Fantasia fan, comes with a 10-year motor manufacturer's warranty, and the fan actually fitted to your ceiling is going to weigh about 5.5 kilograms, which actually does make it a very lightweight ceiling fan, perfect for bedrooms. It's perfect for rooms like bedrooms with low ceiling heights because from the ceiling down to the blades is only 19 centimetres. The actual overall depth to the bottom of the fan without a light kit on is 26 centimetres, so it is really very compact. If you have a light on it, it's going to measure down to about 35 centimetres from ceiling to lowest point, and the lights are always adjustable. You can pinpoint and move them in different directions if you go for the spotlight version. In high power, it's going to use about 50 watts of power to make it run, and you can expect it to move about 5,200 cubic feet of air per minute. So what we'll do, we'll open this Mayfair up, have a little look at it, show you the parts, and we'll show you it working. As you do with all Fantasia fans, you snip open the tape on the box, and as usual, just take care when cutting the middle not to catch the fan blades, because the fan blades are literally underneath the middle of that box. So we'll open it up like so, have a little look, see what we get inside. First thing, as always, manufacturer's instructions, always very thorough by Fantasia. We do digital copies of any of these instructions by request on our Facebook page, which is facebook.com/lighterhome. Blades. These are dark oak blades. This is a brushed chrome stainless steel ceiling fan, so it comes with dark oak blades. And as usual, they put a piece of card in the blade pack, just in case you do catch with the knife. It'll protect from scoring the blades themselves. Now they'll put in the top of the box, on this particular model, shades. These are the little glass shades that go on the light kit, which I'll show you, which will be lower in the box. But in there will be 3 little glass shades. They are breakable, like everything would be breakable. But if you find one broken, just give us a call, we can sort it out for you. If you break one in the future, they're always available as a spare part. Our telephone number is 024 767 17043, or you can contact us on our Facebook page. Screw pack, pull cords, all the relevant bits you'll need to fit the fan, and the pull cords to operate the fan. Mayfair is a pull cord operated fan. You can purchase a remote control to go with it as an accessory, and you'd fit it at the time of fitting the fan. The remote would operate both the light and the fan independently, operate the 3 speeds of the fan, and also dim the light up and down if that's what you want to do. Warranty card. Now you can fill this in to get your 10-year motor manufacturer's warranty and post that off to Fantasia, or you can join our Fantasia fan owners group on our Facebook page. As I say, facebook.com/lighterhome. If you request us to do it, we can register your fan for you for its warranty. Now that is a little plastic tool, a little black plastic tool. It doesn't fit on the fan, you actually use that to tighten up the shades onto the light kit. The shades are held on the light kit with a little locking ring that's threaded, and that just fits over the bulb holder and tightens it up. Nice and easy. They're always available should you use them. You can also expect to find in the box as well bulbs. These are G9s, halogens, 60 watt versions, 3 of them, because it's a 3 light kit. You can fit LEDs if you want. If you're going to be using the pull cords to turn it on and off, standard LEDs, good quality ones, will be fine. If you go for the remote option or the dimmable wall control option, then you're going to need dimmable LEDs, and they're going to need to be a good quality dimmable LED as well. Cheap ones may damage the unit, so always go good with LEDs, particularly dimmable ones. If you need to, speak to Fantasia, they can always advise you, and Fantasia make their own versions as well. So that's the top of the box. What we'll do is we'll whip out this tray and have a look, see what we get underneath. So with that top tray removed, we can have a look at the second tray in the bottom of the box. The first thing we'll pull out, blade carriers, the blade arms. The Mayfair is a 5-bladed ceiling fan, so it requires 5 blades, 5 blade holders, matching colour to the actual fan itself. Now they're the parts that actually fit around the motor housing, and the blades fit to the blade arms. So they're nice and simple. Light kit and all the relevant parts. This is a nice little dinky light kit. Very simple, pull cord operated. Can obviously be controlled by remote control if you fit a remote control. Little G9 halogen lamp holders, and that's where the actual shades fit on. Now earlier I mentioned how you have a little tool to help you attach the shades. Well, that's the little threaded locking nut. So you'd remove your little circular locking nut, you'd put your shade on, and then using that tool, that would go back on the lamp holder, screw back on, that would hold the actual shade in place. Very simple. Very easy to fit a light kit like this. We actually have a separate video for that on our YouTube channel. There we go. Colour coded cables, so it's nice and easy. Inside the actual light, when you come to fit this, there's only literally 2 cables to use, one of them being orange, one of them being blue, and it actually says on it it's for the ceiling fan light as well. So that's nice and simple. And then the next major part you're going to find inside that box is the motor housing. Now, the motor housing sometimes can be very tight in these boxes, so you just have to give it a little pull and it will come out. There we go. If I take it out of the bag. There. The Mayfair is a flush fitted fan, as you can see. So you can see how it would attach directly to the ceiling with the bracket. You can add a drop rod to a Mayfair if you want to. You don't have to have it flush to the ceiling. If you are going to fit a rod to the actual Mayfair fan, you're going to need a 22mm diameter rod. Match it to the colour of the fan, obviously. And with Mayfair, just like the Capri and the Amalfi, you're going to need a conversion kit as well. If we have a little look here, we've got a little reverse switch just there. That's used to basically put the fan into reverse mode on your ceiling. It will recirculate hot air trapped at ceiling level, so you would tend to flick that autumn, winter time. When your central heating blows up that hot air and it rises up to the ceiling, this will actually recirculate it back down again if put into reverse mode. You have little packing blocks here as well. It's always important to remove those. They just screw off nice and easy. And it's a pull cord operated fan. So you would attach your light kit, which I showed you a moment ago, by just undoing these 3 little screws, taking this plate off. That actual kit there will attach into this hole. There's a little stud here that gets pushed out. You attach in there with a nut and a washer. Your 2 cables plug in, fit it back on, do the screws up, absolutely fine. As explained earlier on, you can fit it with a remote control if you want to, and if you do that, you're fitting the receiver unit into this part of the fan here in the top. But it's a very good fan, Fantasia Mayfair. It's available in a lot of colours. There's a lot of choice. Perfect for bedrooms, perfect for places where you really need something compact to the ceiling. As you'd expect, it's got its 10-year warranty, and it's a whisper quiet fan as well. So if you're looking for something that's very quiet and you want something to go on the ceiling tight, maybe above a bed in a bedroom, then I would seriously consider the Mayfair fan. Hope this video has been useful. If it has, please like it for us. Thank you.